Hey everyone, Grant here, and today I thought it would be interesting if we took a look to see what days the stock market would be open. I guess the first thing we're going to take a look at here, there's a website, marketopen.today, and it actually shows you what different stock exchanges there are in the world, and if they happen to be open at the time that you're looking at the website. I think it's interesting that people we'll just take a question and turn it into a website just because there's going to be a lot of people, what's the weather today and stuff like that, that it's pretty easy to, come up with a method of taking that information from the different either websites or just publicly available information and turn it into something like this. So as you can see, if you're in the US, the stock market would be currently closed. Today happens to be August 30th. This could be whenever you're taking a look at it. I'm sure if you watch this video, it's not going to be the same day, or it could be on a very slim chance. But opens next morning. It's 9 o'clock or 9:30 Eastern Daylight Time is when the Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange open. If you live in different time zones in the U.S., it's going to be earlier than that. So you can see there, if you actually hover over it, it'll tell you what your time is. So for me, it'd be 8:30. But there's that. You could also take a look at, I guess MarketBeat's got a quick rundown on what specific holidays other than the weekends. Stock exchanges generally aren't open on weekends. They're also generally not open on federal holidays. So you can see here we've got all these different federal holidays: New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, Washington's birthday, also known as President's Day. We've got Good Friday, Memorial Day, Juneteenth, Independence Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And not everybody has those holidays, but again, like I said, for the most part, most federal employees have those holidays. And obviously, the stock exchanges share those particular holidays. So you can see here which day those will be observed on based on the different calendar years. This is the current year for right now. Hopefully, if you're watching this in the future and it's already past 2025, they've got a new calendar out. But basically, just go down the list, find whatever day we've got coming up. And in fact, we've got Labor Day coming up. It'll be this coming Monday for me, and you can see right there, September 5th is the day that they will be observing that. So another interesting thing, with a lot of these holidays, most of them do get observed on a certain Monday. I think a lot of these ones here, especially the ones that are on different days, pretty much every single month or every single year that you see right there, that's going to be on a Monday, generally speaking. So there's that. Partial holidays, you've got the day before Independence Day, which is a holiday I guess I've never personally witnessed at any job that I've held, and the day following Thanksgiving, also known as Black Friday, and then we've got Christmas Eve. So pretty standard fares in terms of holidays that people observe. They've also got frequently asked questions. So if that isn't the particular question you want to know, whether or not the market's open today, but there's a specific holiday you're curious about, like Veterans Day, you've got here, it says that the stock exchange will be open on those days. You can also scroll down. They've got other stock exchanges and bond exchanges too. I think there was, did I skip over the bond one? Yeah, here we go. Bond markets. They also observe Columbus Day or Indigenous Peoples Day and Veterans Day. So that one we saw up here for stock markets, they don't observe Veterans Day. The bond markets do. The bond markets also have additional partial holidays. They've got the day before Good Friday, the day before Memorial Day, before Independence Day, and before Thanksgiving. So I think these were the two that the stock exchanges observed were these two particular ones. But then they've also got Memorial Day and Good Fridays, days that they want to close early, the days leading up to it. So I think that's kind of interesting. I guess that's about all we need to really cover in this video. Hopefully this has been eye-opening for you guys, or at least exposed you to some resources that maybe you didn't already have in your wheelhouse. So if there's any particular questions you guys think we should be taking a look at, let me know in the comments. Other than that, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.